Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable search history in Windows 10. This is a handy feature that allows Windows to remember your previous searches, making it easier to find files, apps, and settings in the future. Let's get started. First, right-click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open a context menu. From there, select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click on Search. This will take you to the Search Settings menu. Now scroll down to the History section. Here, you'll see an option called Search History on this device. Toggle this option to On. By enabling this, Windows will now remember your search history, making it easier to find things you've searched for before. If you want to clear your existing search history, you can click on the Clear Device Search History button right below the toggle. And that's it. Enabling search history in Windows 10 is a simple process that can save you time and make your search experience more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.